Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna get rid of a dead tree. Doesn't that sound like a lot of fun? You see this tree here? It's dead. We need to remove the branches so we don't hurt the cars that are around here. Ball. You know what I mean? Now, we need to get rid of the top. See, tree? That's what you get for being dead! Oh yeah! That's what dead trees get! Now to get working, I gotta build me a chair. Hate building chairs. Okay, now to get working. That should be good. Finally done building that chair.